Module Overview. Module 6 dives deep into one of the most critical aspects of running a successful online art store: getting paid securely, reliably, and in a way that maximizes profitability. While many artists focus heavily on the creative or design aspects of their store, failure to establish sound financial infrastructure and payment systems can jeopardize their ability to scale, reinvest, and legally protect themselves. This module takes you far beyond just connecting a PayPal button or setting up a Stripe account. You'll learn about the payment processing ecosystem, how fees affect your margins, what makes a gateway trustworthy, and how to reconcile sales with proper record keeping. We'll also cover taxes, international payments, multiple currencies, refunds, chargebacks, and how to set up accounting tools like QuickBooks or Wave specifically for an art business. Whether you're a hobbyist artist starting out or a professional building a global brand, understanding how to integrate payment gateways with backend financial management will protect your earnings, prepare you for business growth, and ensure long-term financial sustainability. Learning objectives. By the end of this module, you will be able to select and integrate the most appropriate payment gateways for their online art store, understand and manage payment processing fees, currency conversion, and chargeback risks, establish a compliant and traceable financial record-keeping system tailored for art businesses, track sales data, organize financial reports, and reconcile transactions accurately. Understand legal tax obligations related to online art sales, including local and international rules. Prepare for future financial scaling, such as applying for grants, loans, or investor funding. Introduction to payment gateways. What is a payment gateway? How it fits into the e-commerce payment flow, merchant accounts versus payment processors. Popular options: PayPal, Stripe, Square, Flutterwave, Paystack, Shopify payments. Key differences: usability, security, payout time, fees, dispute resolution. Understanding payment fees and cost implications. Standard payment gateway fees, 2.9% plus 30-cent model explained. Fixed versus variable fees based on volume or location currency conversion charges for international buyers, hidden charges. Artists often miss how fees impact pricing strategy and profit margins. Global sales and multi-currency handling. Accepting payments in different currencies. Currency auto-conversion. How and when it happens. Offering prices in local currencies. Multi-currency Shopify, WooCommerce plugins, compliance with cross-border taxation, VAT, sales tax, GST, considerations for selling to European Union, UK, US, Canada, and Africa. Fraud prevention and chargebacks. What is a chargeback and how it works? Common causes of chargebacks in art e-commerce. How to protect against fraud, SSL, address verification, 3D, secure, CAPTCHA. Dispute resolution, how to respond to chargeback cases using digital receipts and shipping confirmation as evidence. Financial record keeping for artists. Basics of accounting for art businesses. Categorizing revenue, prints, originals, commissions, licensing, digital downloads, tracking cost of goods sold, COGS, packaging, transaction fees, setting up spreadsheets, accounting software, QuickBooks, Wave, Zoho Books, generating P&L, profit and loss, balance sheets, cash flow statements. Integrating bookkeeping with e-commerce platforms. Shopify and Etsy financial reports. Exporting and reconciling Stripe/PayPal/Flutterwave data. Using payment gateway APIs and integrations with accounting platforms. Setting up automatic, daily, weekly, monthly reconciliation processes. Financial audit trails for artist entrepreneurs. Taxes for online art sales. Local sales tax versus VAT/GST, when each applies economic nexus and digital goods tax laws, registering for tax collection, when and where, tools for tax automation, TaxJar, Avalara, Quaderno, filing quarterly versus annual returns, preparing tax documents, emotional selling and storytelling strategies, narrative triggers, origin stories, transformation, inspiration, conflict resolution arcs, using sensory language, what the art evokes, tranquility, chaos, love, rebellion, buyer immersion through imagery and metaphor, emotional CTA examples. Let this piece bring serenity to your sacred space. Managing payouts and bank integrations. Linking payment gateways to business bank accounts. Withdrawal schedules. Instant versus delayed payouts. Multi-bank payout strategies, e.g., Local Plus, international accounts. Managing cash flow during payout delays, setting up alerts, payment dashboards, and mobile apps. Business structures and financial legality. Why financial setup depends on your business type. Sole proprietorship, LLC, company. Registering your art business and setting up a business bank account. Financial implications of formal business status, access to loans, tax benefits, separating personal and business funds, applying for financial services, Payoneer, Wise, invoicing apps. Preparing financial systems for growth. When and how to hire a bookkeeper or accountant. Preparing for investor funding or gallery partnerships. Creating sales forecasts based on payment data. Setting up financial KPIs, conversion rate, average order value, refund rate. Building financial credibility for future grants, exhibitions, or loans. Bonus tools and templates. Invoice template for art sales. Payment reconciliation worksheet. Expense tracker for packaging, shipping, and fees. Chargeback response sample letter, tax calendar, and checklist for creatives.